So the purpose of studying grid applications is to understand all the different services we can provide to the grid from electric vehicles. These services are quite wide-ranging, and we need to evaluate them, assess them, and understand the impact on the grid so that we can, at the end of the day, see what the benefits are, not only to the stability of the grid, but also to the revenues for the EV owners. So we have evaluated the technology up to now, so we've done technical tests, and we're quite proud to have done evaluation of 4 different vehicles with different brands on the grid. We've studied this on both DK1 frequency and DK2 frequencies, which are 2 separate parts of Denmark, and been able to produce successful results out of that. So the initial tests we've been doing are all about frequency regulation. It's the most complex and toughest service to provide to the grid. However, we will also study other services, such as voltage control, such as peak shaving and others. Those will come future as we work through the project. The other key thing in the project, it is a commercial operation, so we're also encountering economic barriers which are linked to rules, regulations, taxations, and those are real because we're working with real deployments with real customers, so we're seeing real bills, and that's also an assessment we can do apart from the technology to see what other barriers exist in the project. So V2G needs to have this validation of these tests to make sure that everything is quantified and qualified in order to progress further. We will want to roll out this to other countries, make sure that other codes and grid regulations from other countries are also understood and compatible with V2G. I think the outcome of this pillar is going to be really what are the applications we can roll out. Applications can be at the system operator level, they can be at the distribution level, or at the building level, what we call behind the meter. And we have to make sure that we have a stacking of these services that makes total sense, not only for the EV owner and user who's going to get revenues from this, but also for the grid. So we make sure there's no interaction between services we give to the distribution level or to the system operator level.